Welcome to our unboxing video of the latest Android 13 car stereo system. Today, we're diving into the sleek packaging of this advanced automotive technology to discover what makes it a game-changer for your driving experience. From enhanced connectivity features to cutting-edge entertainment options, join us as we unveil the exciting components of the Android 13 car stereo system and explore how it can revolutionize your time on the road. Do not forget to subscribe. Stay with SetNFix. Unboxing a new car head unit can be an exciting experience, especially when it comes with the latest Android 13 system. It's crucial to start by carefully reading the user manual, which provides essential information on installation and features. The cable set included typically comprises a USB cable, often with dual connections to accommodate more devices. Audio and video connectivity is facilitated by a variety of wires, including connectors for audio input, amplifier activation, auxiliary inputs, audio output, an external microphone, and a subwoofer. Additionally, there are video outputs for connecting extra monitors and video inputs for other devices. A reverse camera connector is also provided, which is usually linked to the vehicle's handbrake system to ensure the camera is activated only when necessary. This is the universal power connector. You can see the important wires are only labeled. All the wiring connections are described in the user manual. However, there are power supply wires you should identify even without the labels. This key 1 wire is to car steering wheel connector, this is to parking light wire, and this back wire is to the car reverse light. And also you can connect as wire car antenna. This big yellow wire is to battery and the red wire is to the accessories connection. The black wire is to ground. GPS antenna, mounting screws and mounting plates are also provided with this device. This is the Android car stereo unit. The display is protected with few protecting films. You must remove those before power on. Using a power connector converter cable is a smart move to avoid damaging the factory power cables in your vehicle. This approach is not only safer, but it also preserves the integrity of the original wiring, which can be important for maintaining your car's resale value and avoiding potential electrical issues. The fact that you have the specific Toyota power connectors for your car's head unit means that you can ensure a compatible and secure connection, which is crucial for the reliable operation of the head unit. Always make sure that the converter cable matches the specifications required for your vehicle to avoid any electrical mishaps. Now I am going to power on the unit to check the device. Since the device is not connected to the car, you have to give the both battery wire and the accessories wire a 12-volt power. Then shall we see how the device is and watch the video. You can connect the reverse camera to this device using the wire connector provided. The short wire acts solely as the Wi-Fi antenna for the car stereo unit, not for the camera connection. Therefore, ensure that this wire is connected to the car stereo unit to enable wireless communication and functionality. Properly connecting wires to a car stereo system is fundamental for ensuring optimal functionality, safety, and performance. The correct wiring setup is essential to ensure that all components of the stereo system, including speakers, amplifiers, and subwoofers, work seamlessly together. This not only prevents issues like sound distortion or signal loss but also avoids potential damage to the equipment. Additionally, correct wiring reduces safety risks such as short circuits or electrical fires, making your driving experience safer overall. Following the manufacturer's wiring diagram and instructions is crucial to ensure that wires are of the right gauge and securely connected, minimizing the risk of electrical accidents in your vehicle. Furthermore, proper wiring contributes to the longevity of your car stereo system. By avoiding issues like voltage drops, overheating, or component damage, you can extend the lifespan of your audio equipment and enjoy reliable performance for years to come. This device allows you to listen all the formats of music with super sound. And also high-quality videos without any interruption to your entertainments. If you are not happy with the default looking of the device, you have a lot of options to select your favorite theme for your car head unit. When you change the theme, you just touch and hold the bottom of the home screen, then you can see the theme collection. This FM radio allows you to auto-scan and no need to save the name of the channel as the device detects the channel name automatically. Here you can change the RGB colors of the front panel lights. You can select millions of color combinations. However, if your device is not with RGB lights, the light in the front panel will off. In such a situation, you can select the white color to enable the light again. Car head units with Carplay compatibility offer a convenient way to integrate your smartphone's functionality into your vehicle's dashboard. The flexibility to connect either through a wired connection or wirelessly via Bluetooth adds to the convenience, allowing for a seamless transition from personal to vehicular use. Once connected, the system's fast processing allows for real-time interactions with various apps. Whether it's viewing messages, taking calls, navigating with Google Maps, or using WhatsApp, the integration aims to provide a safer and more intuitive way to stay connected while on the road. It's designed to minimize distractions, keeping your focus on driving while still being accessible. In addition to the Carplay, you can connect this device with Android Auto as well. You need to establish the Bluetooth connection between the mobile phone and the car stereo system. Then you can see the Android Auto facility with the car stereo system. It is mainly targeted to the navigation system. At any time, if the car head unit detects the paired device, automatically, Android Auto will be connected. I installed CPU-Z application to check the hardware details. You can see this device has 4 cores and it is Cortex-A7, 1.12 GHz processor. And there is the clock speed of 4 cores. Under the device details, it is mentioned as the display size 7.42 inches, screen resolution is 1024 x 600. Total RAM 3 GB and the storage is 32 GB. If you go to System Settings, you can see the operating system as Android 12. But I will show you the system details of the device that shows you the operating system is Android 13. As I said before, they have customized the settings to enable their own details. However, other details such as RAM, storage are as same as the manufacturer details. When you open the casing of the device, you can see the main board and the display. There are small flex cables to connect display, touch and the control buttons. Therefore, be careful when opening the casing not to damage the cables. If there is any repair, ensure that the display cables are removed and power is disconnected. Before ending the video, I must thank you all for subscribing my channel and for being connected with my videos. If you have any questions about this video, do not forget to mention in the comments. It will help me to do more videos. I will see you with another important video. Be innovative and stay with SetNFix.